Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss about the uses of metals and non-metals. Dear students, can you say what are metals? Metals are the elements that are hard and shiny in appearance. Metals are the elements that are hard and shiny in appearance. Some metals used in our daily life are gold, copper, aluminium and mercury. Let us go to discuss about the uses of some metals. What is the use of iron? Iron is used for making bridges, engine parts, iron sheets and iron bars. Iron has high tensile strength. Students, do you know what is tensile strength? Metals have the capacity to withstand strain without breaking. This property is called tensile strength. It is the property that was the use of iron for construction of railway tracks, houses, bridges and engine parts. Next metal, copper. What is the use of copper? Copper is used for making electrical wires, coins and statues. Copper is a good conductor of electricity, so it is used for making electric wires. It is also a good conductor of heat, so it is used to make cooking utensils. Copper is malleable in nature. Do you know, students, what is malleable? Metals can be hammered into very thin sheets. This tendency of metals is called malleability. Copper makes use of this property to transform into coins and statues. Silver and gold are used for making jewels, in decorative purposes and photography. Gold and silver are luster in nature. Do you know what is luster? Metals have a shiny appearance. This property of metals is called luster. Silver and gold make use of this property to transform into jewels and in decorative items. Silver is used in black and white photography. Next metal, mercury. What is the use of mercury? Mercury is used for making thermometers and barometers. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. It expands uniformly at different temperature. So it is used in thermometers and barometers. Do you know which instrument is used to measure the temperature? Thermometer. Students, what is barometer? Barometer is an instrument which is used to measure the atmospheric pressure. Due to its high density and uniform expansion, mercury is used in thermometers and barometers. Next metal, aluminium. What is the use of aluminium? Aluminium is used in electrical wires, cables and in aerospace industries. Aluminium is a lightweight metal. It combines with magnesium to form an alloy which is used to make aeroplanes. Aluminium is highly ductile in nature. Do you know, students, what is ductile? Metals can be drawn into thin wires This property of metals is called ductile. Using this property, aluminium is used to make wires and cables. What is the use of lead? Lead is used in automobile batteries and X-ray machines. Lead can be able to store electric charges. So it is used in batteries and X-ray machines. Dear students, what are nonmetals? Nonmetals are the elements that are soft and dull in appearance. Nonmetals are the elements that are soft and dull in appearance. Let us see some examples for nonmetals: carbon, sulfur and phosphorus. Diamond and graphite are the form of nonmetal carbon. Diamond is used for making jewels for its shiny appearance, and it is also used in cutting and grinding equipments for its nature of hardness. Graphite is used for making pencil lead and dye industries. Diamond is very hard in nature, so it is used for cutting glasses, and also it is used in jewelry because of its lustrous behavior. Do you know, students? Nonmetals are generally bad conductor of electricity except graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon which is a good conductor of electricity. Graphite is used in making pencil lead. Next nonmetal, sulfur. What is the use of sulfur? Sulfur is used in the manufacturing of gunpowder and vulcanization of rubber. Sulfur is used as an explosive powder that is used in guns. Do you know, students, what is vulcanization of rubber? Vulcanization is the process of heating rubber in the presence of sulfur to improve the elasticity of rubber. Next nonmetal, phosphorus. What is the use of phosphorus? Phosphorus is used in matches and rat poison. Red phosphorus is used in the manufacture of safety matches and matchsticks, and also it is a poisonous nonmetal. So it is used as a rat poison. Next nonmetal is nitrogen. What is the use of nitrogen? Nitrogen is used for making ammonia. Nitrogen is a vital plant nutrient. It is an essential nutrient for plants. Next nonmetal is chlorine. What is the use of chlorine? Chlorine is used for making bleaching agent and also used as a sterilizing agent. Chlorine is commonly used as an antiseptic bleach and is also used to drinking water safe and to treat swimming pools. What is sterilization? Sterilization is the process of treating drinking water to purify and kill the germs. Next nonmetal, hydrogen. What is the use of hydrogen? Hydrogen is used as rocket fuel, reducing agent, and hydrogen flame is used for welding purposes. Hydrogen has high calorific value. So it is used as a rocket fuel. Hydrogen is used for reduction of metallic ore and purify the ore. So it is used as a reducing agent in industries. Hydrogen flame is used for cutting and welding purposes. Dear students, now I hope the uses of some metals or non-metals are crystal clear to you. In our next class, we will go to discuss about the metallites. Thank you, students.